So this is my consultation for the price of the yoga classes for Balance Yoga Studio. So first what I did was I researched a few of similar workout classes or yoga classes in the area to see how many classes they hold per week and around what times they usually do it. So I based the Balance Yoga Studio schedule off of a few other ones. So I came up with 3 classes on the weekends, and then 4 classes on Fridays and Mondays, and 3 classes in the middle of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, since you have 2 rooms, we can overlap times with different classes. So as you can see here, this is classroom A, which is overlapped with classroom B, and classroom A again is being utilized again with an overlap. So this also helped me a lot with figuring out the price. So I wrote down the 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3 classes for each day. And then we also took the average amount by statistics of how many people would be in the class each day. So we were told that there wouldn't be as many people on Monday and Tuesday, so we did 5 for Monday and Tuesday, and Saturday would actually be a full class, so 12 is our full maximum amount, so we have 12 on that day, and the rest of the days would be about 6 to 8 people, so that's why Sunday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday are just 7 people. Now, if you do the math, multiplying down, these are the numbers that you come up with for the amount of people that come to the studio each day. So in total, 200 people are attending each week. Could be the same, but that's the amount of slots that are taken by people. So to break it down, I use this equation. So if you add up all of the classes on here, it's 29 classes, but this is just for 1 week, and we want to try to figure out monthly. So 29 times 4 is 116 classes. Now each teacher is paid $30 per class, so we did 116 times $30, which equals $3,480, which is the amount they'll pay the teachers. Since the owner gets $2,000 each month for his own, and the fees are $1,000, that's an extra $3,000. So we add this up to figure out how much we have to make each month to break even. So we use that total right here, the total to break even, and we divide it by the 800 people or slots that will be taken per month, because we did the 200 people each week times 4, so that's our average people per month. And we got $8.10 to charge per class, and this is what would help you break even. Exactly. Now, you don't necessarily want to be breaking even. Obviously, you want to make a profit. So you could charge anything over $8.10 to make a profit and get more money than planned. So here's a few promotions that you could give out. So this is a 4-class pack, this is 8-class pack, and this is a 12-class pack. So what I did was I reduced, so if you're speaking on a $15 per class charge, that if you would usually do that just for people walking in, they could buy these packs, and the more classes you buy, you can see the lower that it gets, but it never actually goes down to $8.10, which just isn't ideal, which means you're not making a profit. So I did this would be the amount per package. So this would be 12 classes. That would be the amount. This would be 4 classes, and this is 8 classes. And these are the profits that you would be making with those 3 packs. So, also to bring people in, since these days, Tuesday and Monday, they have less people on average. You can charge maybe less on these days and more on these days, or you could charge more on way more on Saturday classes because you know they'll be full, and lower these classes a little bit throughout the week, so maybe you could get more customers to come in and take your classes. So for payment methods, we're doing credit or debit or cash only. Credit because we can also include the credit fee into the prices when taking a credit card, so we won't have to pay from our pocket but from the customers. And then we should take cash for sure, because obviously cash is physical and it means that they have the money to pay for it, and cash is easy. But we shouldn't take checks because they're too easy to bounce, and you never really know if the customer has that money or not right when they give you the check until you go to the bank account. So that is my proposal for Balance Yoga Studio.